Good morning, everyone. In the last session, we have covered about nearest neighbor basically that we just want to find the nearest neighbors of our new value. For new data points, we have to calculate the nearest neighbors of it. So for this, now we will see the example practically. So first of all, we just import the libraries, that is pandas, and we just load inbuilt dataset, that is load breast cancer, and then the test split we have used, and after that StandardScaler is just for normalization, everything in one plane. So it is very important in KNN that we have to standardize our data. Then classifier, KNeighborsClassifier we have used, and then these are for evaluation. After that, we just load our dataset. So this is a way of loading the inbuilt dataset. That is by using that functions load breast cancer, and we store it in data. And after that, we just separate the features and target. That dot data means it extract the features, that is input, and dot target means my output data, basically 0 and 1. After that, we just split it 20% in testing and the rest of one is in training. And here is main thing that first of all we standardize it. We have applied the standard scaler here, and thus just we are scaling our features here basically. After scaling it, we have just storing it, that x train is scaled and storing in that variable, and then the other one, that is x test, is scaled, now normalized and stored in that variable. Here we have applied and telling that how many nearest neighbor you want. So in that case, it's saying 5. So it means that we have to find out the 5 nearest neighbor to our new data points. Then here is a training phase. So as I have told you that KNN is the lazy learner, because in training you will see there is no model learning, nothing is done, just storing the data points. The instance are storing just in that way. And in prediction, basically Euclidean distance is applied. Euclidean distance is the formula to calculate the distance of a data points. And just like that, on the basis of a less distance, basically, we just predict that things. So by that thing, that is predict, we apply here Euclidean distance is applied, and it calculate the distances of our observed data. After that, we just evaluate our model. So those 5 nearest neighbors that are nearest to my new, that is observed data, so that are just concluded at the end. And you will see we have accuracy 94%, and there is a classification report in which there is precision, recall, FN score, and all that thing. So main thing is that in training there is only storing of the instances of data in here. And in predicting, basically Euclidean distance formula is applied in order to calculate the distances and the least distances that are the nearest data points in short. So least distance means that they are near to my the observed data, that are only taken. So for example, if I have a 10 data points and I need 5 nearest neighbors whose Euclidean distance are less, that is if I have 1 1 2 10, so I will choose 1 1 2, and let's suppose the nearest the Euclidean distance less, let's suppose 3 4. So these data points are taken. The vast, so just like 10 11 20, these are not taken. So this is all about the concept of the k nearest neighbors, that we want to find the nearest neighbor. We want to predict the nearest neighbors of our observed data points. So we just here do the data gathering, then we do standardization, and then we just create KNN model, we train it, and we predict it. So this is all about the k nearest neighbor. I hope it will clear. Now we will meet further for the next topic in the next session. Thank you.